and welcome to the Federal Capital Territory. It is the Abuja edition of the Onga Foodies Hangout. How do you like your barbecue? Hot, spicy, or with chips? The Onga season barbecues are all smoking hot on the grills. I can't wait to dig in. I am Bukami Okewumi, call me the taster.
Onga seasoning is available in two different formats. We have our powdered range and our cubed range, and they are multi-purpose as well. This is what gives us the claim to the seasoning of Nigeria.
We have the sweet potato with sausage and turkey or chicken stand. We have the Irish with fish or coleslaw. We have the masa with suya and yaji.
I'm really catching fun. I didn't expect much of this.
Wow.
No, I didn't expect it.
Okay.
Some more for Onga.
Well, I've been having a blast, and the food is very delicious.
The food has been excellent, so
Everything is well prepared.
Thank you, Onga. Thank you so much. We appreciate this. Like I'm gonna eat like that too food.
Yeah, thank you for this opportunity, and it's actually a good campaign because we are going to eat a lot.
Tell me how exactly you like your barbecue.
Extra spicy, tender. Not the one where you shop finish, you go hang for teeth. Where you say if you chop for teeth, if you don't, you come out, then you go enter.
Spicy, with the bully.
Very hot and spicy.
I want charcoal burnt and with like juices inside are very tender, you know?
And very crunchy.
Yes, very crunchy.
I've stayed in Abuja for a while now. I've not really come for something like this, so it's a very big deal, and I'm having so much fun.
Another spice to the Abuja Onga Foodies Hangout is the Barbecue Party Cook-Off, a contest where 4 people would go head-to-head in a cooking competition to show off their cooking skills.
When the guests arrived, so we did a random sampling of the audience to ask who would be interested in the cooking competition, and a few of them came forward to show interest.
Let's give a round of applause for contestant number 2.
In fact, Onga, you'll be so wonderful. I've never expected this. But for you to give us this, my prayer is God will expand the business beyond Nigeria. God will take it all over the world.